Hello guys, I'm Arpit again, and you can see this is one waterfall, and we try to give it a little bit wild waterfall look. You can see here this decoration we made, and this you can see an earthen pitcher. We used two tubs and I covered them with some dipped in cement clothes. You can see. And this rain lily is enhancing very beauty to this terrace garden waterfall. And you can see here fishes. They are so great. They are just chasing each other. So guys, now they're fighting for food. You can see small like some grains, small structure of food you can see, and these pebbles you can see, some big and some small. And in the next one you can see here, you can see the lotus. We purchased it from Flipkart with seeds we growed, and this you can see. So guys, this was my video about lotus. Thank you.